The first thing that I want to share is about writing the sales letter. And that is to say that as I write this, I'm writing from a few years of experience, and I'm also writing a letter in 1 hour. If you spend a week writing, if I spend a week writing a letter, it's gonna be a better letter than I'm gonna write in an hour. But that'd be an awful long class. I also wanna say that this next hour is not about me teaching you how to write a sales letter, although go out and learn how to write. Have you ever read a sales letter like that? It's full of special lines that just make people buy. They really just wanna make you puke, right? Do you really wanna buy? When you read one of those slurry gooey sales letters, don't you wanna buy, because there's a relationship and trust. In order for you to build relationship and trust, you're gonna have to learn to write from the heart and from the heart in such a way that people read you write and feel a sense of connection with you.